Okay, now this is again question number 13 from chapter number 30 of H.C. Verma. Consider the following very rough model of a beryllium atom. The nucleus has 4 protons and 4 neutrons confined to a small volume of radius 10 power minus 15 meter. So let's draw them one by one. So this is your nucleus, a very tiny nucleus. Okay, this is your nucleus. Alright, the nucleus has 4 protons, so the charge of the nucleus will be 4e, correct? Then the two 1s electrons make a spherical charge cloud at an average distance of 1.3 into 10 power minus 11 meter from the nucleus. So the two electrons in the first 1s orbit, okay, will make a shell. They are saying that they are roughly making a spherical charge cloud. So let's call it a shell. So the shell has charge how much? 2e, and its radius is given 1.3 into 10 power minus 11 meter. Whereas the two 2s electron make another spherical cloud at an average distance of 5.2 into 10 power minus 11 meter from the nucleus. So we have one more shell of remaining two electrons. Okay, so this electron again has charge 2e, actually minus 2e I should write down, minus 2e, correct, because they are electrons of negative charge. Okay, so this is the model. So at the center we have nucleus of charge plus 4e, then we have a shell of charge minus 2e, then one more shell of charge minus 2e. Okay, find the electric field at a point just inside 1s cloud. So if the first point they are asking, this is your point A. So to find the field at point A, which is just inside the green sphere. So just inside means we have to use this radius 1.3 into 10 power minus 11. So that's very easy. This outer shell cannot create a field at a point inside itself, and this shell can also cannot create field at A. Okay, so we can write down at A both shells will have zero electric field. Okay, zero field. So only due to the nucleus of plus 4e charge we will get the electric field. So E will be pointing outwards. This is EA. So EA will be pointing outwards, and that will be equal to 4E by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, RA square. Okay, so we just put the values. So 4 times E will be 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 divided by RA square. So 1.3 into 10 power minus 11. So 1.3 into 1.3 into 10 power minus 22. We solve this. So EA will come out to be equal to 34 into 10 to the power 12 Newton per coulomb. Now they are asking a point just inside the 2s cloud. So a second point now is over here, let's say, just inside the 2s cloud. So the field will be how much now over here? Okay, this will be field EB. So how do you find EB? So 4E will create a field away from the center, and minus 2E will create a field towards the center. Okay, since this is having magnitude 2e and this is having magnitude 4e, so the field due to positive charge will be twice the field due to negative charge. Okay, so we can simply write down net field due to 2e charge. Okay, so 4e minus 2e will give you plus 2e, so we can write down eb will be equal to 2e by 4 pi epsilon naught into rb square. Okay, so put the value. So 2 into E will be 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 divided by RB. So now the radius is given to be 5.2 into 10 power minus 11. So 5.2 into 5.2 into 10 power minus 22. So we will get EB to be equal to, this will be 1.06 into 10 to the power 12 Newton per coulomb. Okay, so these are the answers to the two parts of the question.